Welcome, children, to Whizzy Tree in the winter.
Oh, hello, I'm the reindeer. Ooh, I'm flying up to this house. Ooh. Here I go. I'm up to see Santa and Rudolph. Ooh, who's gonna come by next? Who could it be? Wow, look at that, children, it's Santa. He's in his sleigh and he's got all his presents. Oh, he's got a busy night ahead of him. Bye, Santa. Who's next? Oh, it's Twitteroo. It's an owl. Hello, owl. Oh, it's cold, isn't it? Bye-bye. Well, what's this? This is a buzzy bumblebee. Oh, he's going in the water. Goodbye, bumblebee. Merry Christmas. Who's next? Who could be next? Oh, it's Pete the polar bear. Oh, look, he's skiing on the lake. Goodbye, Peter the bear. Who's this? Ah, oh, it's Freddy Fox. What's Freddy Fox doing in there having a swim? Goodbye. And who's this? Oh, look, there's Bert the bunny. He's having a little swim. Goodbye, bunny. Merry Christmas. Who's gonna be next, children? Oh, what is that? Oh, can we see it? Children, can we guess? Hello, Sydney. It's Sydney the Snow. Oh, he's going home for his Christmas as well, to see his family. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye, Sydney. Who's next? Oh, look. It's the Christmas unicorn. Hi. Oh, hello, unicorn. Merry Christmas. I wonder who's going to become a little next, children. Oh, does everybody see that? He's got eyes. Their eyes are poking out. Oh, what's it going to be? Oh, it's Colin the crab. Hello, Colin. Merry Christmas to you, Colin. Nice to see you. Goodbye. Say hello to the other crabbies. Goodbye. Who's this coming now? Oh, look. I know who that is. That's Diane the dinosaur. Hello, Diane the dinosaur. Merry Christmas. Oh, are you going home to see the other dinosaurs? Have fun at Christmas. Bye-bye. Oh, look, it's Frank the frog. Splish, splash. Merry Christmas, Frank. Merry Christmas.
Hope you had fun seeing all the animals at Christmas time. Today you have been watching Whizzy Tree in the winter. Come back soon. Goodbye. Merry Christmas.